So I want to just take a brief moment to discuss how to deal with if you're getting students to attach pictures of their work when you're assigning something in Microsoft Teams, how you deal with the situation where the picture is sideways. So what happens is you have somebody submit an assignment and it looks like this. So it's not the right way around. Okay. There's a couple ways to deal with this. One is, and I'll just show you quickly, if you just click here, you can download this picture. And once you've downloaded it, you can open it. It just takes a second or two, and you can rotate it as you like. Okay, so if it's submitted sideways, the easiest way in terms of just viewing it, I'm just spinning this. Sorry, you can download it, and as soon as it's downloaded, which takes maybe a second or two, you can open it and rotate it, and then see it and go back to your screen and put the mark in. Okay, so that's one way to deal with it. The other way is for the student to actually submit it slightly differently. So I attached a quiz here, and what you can get the students to do is, instead of attaching the picture as a separate file, you can get them to, inside the Word document, get them to insert a picture. Okay, and then from their phone probably is where they're going to get it. But if I choose the file, which I will just choose the download that I just downloaded and insert it, it will come up generally right side up. Okay, if it doesn't, then you can rotate it. You can get the kids to rotate it. So you can get it to rotate, and then it's attached. Okay, so they can either attach that in each question, or they can attach it at the bottom. But then when they turn it in and you open their actual derivative rules quiz, you'll see their answer right there. So those are the two ways that are easy to deal with the weirdness of rotated photos. What I've told my students is, generally, just when they attach the photo, to check it before they turn it in and make sure it's the correct orientation. It happens, I think, because the way they're holding their phone, the way they're taking the picture. But if they're just careful with it, then that's one way to do it. If it happens, then as a teacher, you can download the photo and rotate it fairly quickly, or you can just always ask your students to attach the pictures inside of Microsoft Word, and they should be able to do that on their phones as well, because it will open online as long as they're attached to the internet. And then they can make sure it's upside right. It's oriented the way you want it. So that's the easiest way to deal with pictures being attached that aren't the right way around, and hopefully that helps.